Hello, Synapse community. My name is Ryan Majitimer. I'm a product manager on the Azure Synapse Analytics team. Today we've got our February 2022 updates. We've got a lot of updates for you today. In the SQL space, we've got two updates. The first is more consistent query execution times for serverless SQL pools. Occasionally, there were spikes in read latency that were increasing query duration. Serverless SQL pools now automatically detect these spikes and handle them in a way that query duration is not significantly impacted. This results in more consistent query execution times. The second is a way to return array element indexes when analyzing data. The OPENJSON function in serverless SQL pools allows you to parse nested arrays and return one row for each JSON array element with the index of each element. If you're looking for data integration updates, we've got a few of those for you too. First, you can now rely on the parse transformation to automatically detect the schema of an embedded complex field inside a string column by using the Detect Type button in the expression builder. Second, we've added a new function called Assert Error Message that allows you to define your own dynamic description message. This allows for meaningful and descriptive messages when your assert expectations fail at the row and column level. Third, you can now securely connect to your SQL databases from Synapse data flows using Always Encrypted. For the last two data integration updates, we're going to dive a little bit deeper, and we're going to demo the features themselves. If you want to learn more about all the updates I've talked about today, you can do so at our blog at aka.ms/synapse-blog. You can even comment directly on the blog while you're there. Let's dive into the demo. When you're in the data integration pane, you'll find that copy activities now support upserts. Basically, this means that the copy activity now supports loading data into a temp table, and after that, we can merge the data into a sync table. This option works great when you're trying to sync data into SQL, Azure SQL DB, Azure SQL MI, or Synapse Analytics. Second, we can use the Mapping Data Flow connector with Dynamics 365 to transform, shape, and map data. Now you can read and write data from tables from or to Dynamics, and that option is available for Dynamics datasets or inline datasets as source and sync types. As a first step, remember that we need to create a linked service to our Dynamics 365 environment. Then, we can create a data flow that allows us to connect, in this case from a source file, add a couple of derived columns, then do an upsert, and sync to a new Dynamics 365 dataset using our linked service. Those are all the updates we have for today. Tell us in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Again, my name is Ryan Majitimer. If you want to follow me on Twitter, you can find me at rmajitimer. If you want to find Synapse on Twitter, you can find Synapse at Azure_Synapse. Please subscribe to our channel and you can get notifications on all of our upcoming videos. Like the videos, share with your colleagues, and we'll see you for the next one.